Hello students. Now these are the chemical reactions of carboxylic acids, and the first one is the acidic reactions, means the reactions due to breaking of H. Number 1, reaction with H2O. RCOH when dissolved in water forms RCO negative and H positive, which combines with water to form H3O positive. So carboxylic acids are acidic in nature and they are weak acid, so there will be a equilibrium sign like this. Number 2, reaction with base like NaOH, COH2, etc. RCOH reacts with NaOH or COH2 forms a salt RCOONA and H2O due to neutralization, and RCO2Ca plus 2H2O. This is sodium carboxylate, this one is calcium carboxylate. Number 3, reaction with basic salts like Na2CO3 or NaHCO3. So when carboxylic acid react with Na2CO3 forms a salt RCOONA and release CO2 and H2O. Same way with NaHCO3. So this is also a chemical test of RCOH because CO2 gas is released with brisk effluence. Number 4, reaction with reactive metals. तो एसिड्स की जो भी रिएक्शंस होती हैं वो सभी रिएक्शंस ये करेंगे, लाइक रिएक्शन विद सोडियम और कैल्शियम फॉर्म्स RCONA और RCO2H2 और डिस्प्लेस करके हाइड्रोजन को रिलीज करेंगे. नंबर 5, रिएक्शन विद ब्लू लिटमस. तो लाइक एसिड्स दे आल्सो टर्न्स द ब्लू लिटमस टू रेड. Then comes the next one. This is the reactions due to RCOOH में से breaking of OH. तो in this reaction RCOH reacts with a substance like YZ, and at the place of OH we get the Z and Y goes with OH like this. For example, amide formation. When RCOH reacts with NH3, then H of NH3 combines with OH forms H2O, and NH2 takes place of OH forms RCONH2 in two steps, and in first step H plus goes to NH3 forms RCO negative and NH4 positive. Number 2, formation of esters. If a carboxylic acid reacts with alcohols in acidic medium, then H of alcohol and OH of carboxylic acid forms H2O and they combines to form the ester RCOOR negative. Here H positive is required to remove H2O because the reaction is reversible. It was done already in chapter alcohols. Number 3 is formation of anhydrides. If carboxylic acids are treated with acid or P2O5, then two molecules of RCOH combines to release H2O and form anhydride like RCOOCOR. Number 4 is formation of acid chlorides. If reacted with PCl5, PCl3 or SOCl2, then chlorine takes place of OH and forms RCOCl, means acid chloride, and OH combines with remaining, like here forms POCl3 and HCl, here SO2 and HCl, and here H3PO3. Then comes the third one. These are the reactions due to COH group. Reduction reactions and decarboxylation. Reduction reactions हैं फर्स्ट रिडक्शन बाय वीक रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट्स और सेकेंड है रिडक्शन बाय स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट्स. अगर वीक रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है लाइक LiLH4 एंड दे रिएक्ट्स विद कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स, देन करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्कोहल्स आर फॉर्म्ड, जो हमने अल्कोहल चैप्टर में पढ़ा था. एंड इफ स्ट्रॉन्ग रिएजेंट लाइक रेड फॉस्फोरस विद HI इज यूज्ड, देन करस्पॉन्डिंग एल्केन्स विल बी फॉर्म्ड. The C of COH will be converted to CH3 and H2O will be formed from oxygen and hydrogens remaining. Number 2, decarboxylation. Decarboxylation reaction means removal of COOH group completely. The process of complete removal of COH is called decarboxylation, and the reaction is of two types with NaOH, CO and electrolysis. First one is using soda lime, NaOH and CO. NaOH reacts with COH to form RCONA and H2O. Then RCONA reacts with NaOH in presence of calcium oxide, and here this part is removed as Na2CO3, Na twice, and here C and 2 plus 1 3 oxygens, and H combines with R to form alkane and Na2CO3. Number 2 is called electrolysis. In this reaction, this salt is electrolyzed with water, and then 2R combines to form an alkane R and R, and COO released as CO2, and Na react with H2O, we can say, to form NaOH by taking OH from H2O, and hydrogen of H2 is released as H2 gas on electrolysis. And all these reactions are shown by the aromatic compounds also, the first three categories of reactions. So now, after reading all these reactions, you have to complete these reactions. Take a screenshot and try to complete these reactions on the basis of reactions that we have studied. From all the three categories of the reactions, complete this all. Take your notebook and pen and take a screenshot now. Next is the chemical reactions due to alkyl group R, and this reaction is called Hell-Wohlhead-Zielinski reaction, or simply HVZ reaction. So in these reactions, RCOH reacts with either chlorine or bromine in presence of red phosphorus, and the hydrogen from alpha position gets substituted, like RCH2COH with Cl2 and red phosphorus. This one carbon is alpha, and here one hydrogen is displaced by X. So these reactions are called HVZ reactions. For example, CH3COH with Cl2 red phosphorus. Here chlorine takes place of hydrogen, forms ClCH2COH. On further reaction, it forms Cl2CHCOH, एक और हाइड्रोजन डिस्प्लेस करेगा, and finally it will form CCl3 and COH, trichloroacetic acid and di and monochloroacetic acids, like this. And if we take propanoic acid with Br2 and red phosphorus, then from alpha position this forms this product 2-bromopropanoic acid, then 2,2-dibromopropanoic acid. And if we further try this reaction, तो इस कार्बन पे इसके बाद सब्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं होगा, but chlorine after alpha goes to beta and it starts to substitutions. So these are the HVZ reactions. Then comes next, and these are the reactions due to aryl group, electrophilic substitution reactions. Carboxylic acids are acidic, and this shows halogenation, nitration and sulfonation like aldehydes and ketones. With Br2 in presence of FeCl3 or FeBr3, bromine occupies meta position because they are also meta directing, because electron withdrawing group जो होते हैं वो होते हैं meta directing, substitution of hydrogen from meta. With nitric acid and sulfuric acid, nitration, nitro group substitutes hydrogen from meta position, so forms meta nitrobenzoic acid. And with H2SO4 concentrated only, sulfonation, sulfonic acid group SO3H displaces hydrogen again from meta position. And two more reactions, the FC Fidelkraft alkylation or Fidelkraft acylation is not shown by these substances, because in the COH group the oxygen acts as electron releasing group for these acids, because it means COOH is acidic group according to Arrhenius concept, but due to lone pair this is basic according to Lewis concept, so it acts like Lewis base and reacts with Lewis acids and do not shows Fidelkraft reactions. So in this way we have completed the chemical reactions of carboxylic acids, and in our next lecture we will study about the important questions related to acidic behavior and other characteristics of carboxylic acids. It will be done in our next lecture. Thank you.